Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn about a facial recognition tool. Seems interesting? And trust me, you don't need any coding for that. Let's get started. So we're going to go to Google and search for Teachable Machine. The first link that you get is Teachable Machine with Google. Let's open that. As soon as it loads, you will see there are multiple options in front of you, but we're going to choose the best one, which is Get Started. Okay, within Get Started, we're going to select an image project, but you can also create an audio or a post project. Let's see how this works. Within image project, we're going to start with a standard image model. I click on it and it gives me multiple options here. Let's understand what these options are. We have classes, class 1 and class 2. These are basically data sets. Your training data sets on which you require the machine to be trained. Then you have a training model where you click and train the model, and then you get a preview here. So let's quickly upload our class sets. I already have some images downloaded, so I'm going to work with those. So I'm going to go to Amir and I'm going to select these 3 images of Amir Khan. Right? I'm going to click on open. Similar to this, in class 2, I'm going to open the images again. And this time I'm going to give the images of Salman Khan. Oh, there's just one image that we selected. Let's select 2 more. I'm going to go here and select 2 more images of Salman Khan. So now I'm going to rename the classes. So this one I'm going to name as Amir. This one we're going to name as Salman. Now we're going to train the model. Right, let's wait for a couple of minutes. And it's done. Wow, great. Once it's done, what we're going to do is we're going to change the input format to file. Of course, you can always select webcam and see what your face is resembling. Right, I've turned off my access to webcam, so let me give that access to webcam and see what your face is more inclined towards. Is it Amir Khan or is it Salman Khan? That's how you impress the girls. But then again, we are going to use a file option, and I'm going to show you something very interesting. Okay, look at this particular file option. I'm going to choose a file to upload here. And firstly, I'm going to show you a preview of that file. Right? Look at this particular file. Whom do you think this represents? Well, hold that answer to your thought. Okay, hold that answer to your thought. Let's give it to Google. Okay, we gave it to Google. See the response that we've got. Interesting, yes or no? Well, this was a simple example and a simplified image that was particularly created for this particular model to show you that it's not just a human intelligence brain, but more of a billions of parameters looked together by this AI. And those billions of parameters include your jawline, your face gestures, your cheekbones, all of that. And basis that, it's going to conclude that this is more of Salman Khan than Amir. Interesting? Well, follow for more such tools and tips.